Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. What a fabulous example we have here. This is the Volkswagen Scirocco. The original one started off its life in 1977, based on the very popular Volkswagen Golf chassis. One of the sexiest cars to come out of Volkswagen. It really is a gorgeous shape. 4-seater coupe. This little beauty is in pewter grey and metallic. With the Volkswagen Scirocco there was a bit of a gap actually, because they stopped making them in 1991 and then revived them back again in 2008, and I'll be glad they revived them again. This is an absolute beauty. This one's registered in August 2009 on a 9 plate. It's a 2-litre TSI, 200 brake horsepower. It is absolutely beautiful. Nearly £2,000 worth of factory fitted options. And for the size of the car, the boot is very good. I mean, the loading area there's no damage, there's no scuffs. Very well cherished example. Nice deep boot, lots of space in there, split folding rear seats, full toolkit, spare wheel as well, all complete. All down the sides. It is absolutely gorgeous. There's no dents, there's no major scuffs, little dings anywhere. Incredible for a 2009 car. Looks beautiful. It's got the rear privacy glass. All the wheels have all been professionally sandblasted and powder coated. We've had those done in light anthracite with a touch of Orbital grey in there. All the centre caps have been fully replaced with genuine Volkswagen ones, so all the wheels are like brand new. All the front end, there's no nasty stone chips or dings anywhere. Incredible actually, if you think it's a 2009 car. There's a few watermarks there, but they're not stone chips by any stretch of the imagination. 2 front tyres just fitted to it, recently serviced. 11 service stamps in the book. 11, so just shows full service history all the way through. Beautiful inside, all the door cards, all the trims, all in great condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. This one's also got the upgraded full black Vienna leather, which again the condition is absolutely outstanding. All the back seats, everything, all the trims in the back. No nasty smells, non-smoker's car. This beautiful flat bottom sport steering wheel, multifunction. And look at those seats. Electric lumbar support. Look at that bolster, there's no wear, there's no damage. Very well looked after. Centre armrest, aux input with media input in there as well. Again, the passenger seat, all the trims. There's a close-up of the door trim on the near side. Again, there's no damage, there's no scuffs, there's no marks. All the dash trim in great condition. Great stereo system on it. You definitely won't get enough of the Scirocco. It really is a fabulous car. Dual zone climate control, individually controlled. Of course, these fabulous heated seats. 6-speed manual gearbox. You've also got the adjustable sport suspension, so you get on comfort, sport, normal mode, and just displays on the dashboard exactly which mode you're in to get the car just absolutely perfect ride for yourself. With a mileage of just 63,051. Remember, this is a 2009 car. That is extremely low mileage for its age. Multifunction leather steering wheel with various options on there. You've also got onboard computer, average speed, fuel range, consumption. Very handy to have all that on board. Of course, you've got automatic lights, auto dimming mirror, automatic wipers, what a great example. I don't think you'll find a better example. It really has been very well cherished. Come from a very, very good home. Gentleman who travelled 300 miles to pick one of our cars up and traded this beauty in. So if you're looking for a nice low mileage Scirocco, you won't go far wrong with this one. Of course, we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. As I mentioned, 11 service stamps, recently serviced, all the wheels refurbished, 2 new tyres. Did have a new clutch and flywheel in 2018. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. The full HD video walk around gives you full transparency of how we operate. We have nothing to hide. It gives you the full confidence to buy this car unseen. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. Click and reserve. Alternatively, please just give it a call. We're always here to help you, making buying and selling cars a very simple, easy, quick process. Phone number 01782 822 700. We hope to see you soon. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997. And our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.